All right, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to be breaking down customer groups and what they mean, and we're also going to be explaining what default groups mean and how to use them. Now, let's start with the fact that you can actually send emails and SMS to your customers from your Bumpa web app. And if you have been doing this, but you have been sending the same message to all your customers, and you're wondering why your campaigns are not converting like you would like, then this video is for you. Customer groups are a way to organize your customers into specific categories based on, things that they have bought, how much they've spent, or, how recently they've shopped with you. So if instead of sending the same message to everyone, you can send the right message to the right people at the right time. Now, the good part is that Bumper has actually done some of the work for you already. There are already default customer groups that are automatically created based on your existing customer data. So you don't have to start from scratch. And in this video, I'm going to break down what these groups are and how you can use them. So to navigate to customer groups, first of all, come to the customers dashboard. And then under customers groups here, click on default groups. Now, like I mentioned earlier, these groups have already been created, so you do not need to create any from scratch. As you can see here, it is indicated that these are default groups, and you can see the groups that have been created for you. So we have customers with no purchase in the last 30 days. These are people that have not bought from you in at least 1 month. Once a customer enters that category, they are automatically added to this group for you. Now, these are also customers who have not bought in the last 2 months, and then you have top 10% by amount spent. So these are your top 10 customers by the amount, top 10% customers by the amounts they have spent. Then you also have customers who have never ordered or who have only ordered once. People who are owing you. So these people are added from the unpaid or the partially paid group. And then you have customers with abandoned orders, and on and on and on it goes. Now, you can use any of these groups to send a campaign to your customers. By campaign, I mean email or SMS. So if, for example, you want to just quickly boost your sales and you want to run a quick discount, you can just come here and select one of these groups. Say, for example, people who haven't bought from you in 30 days, and just send them a campaign. Now, to do that, you just need to pick the group and then come here to this button here and click on it. And immediately you can see the email campaign or the SMS campaign feature. And then you just need to fill out information and send the email. Now, let's say we want to send an email or an SMS to this group. You click on this button here and, let's say we want to send an email. Next thing is to just select the template you want to use. And then this, you can see here, has automatically been added. So once you just fill out the information for this email, so let's just say test and attach an image but that's optional, by the way, but you just want to attach an image, you can just attach it, then write the body of the email. So let's see, this is a test. And then you can preview. And once you're done previewing, you just click on send. And that's pretty much how to use a default customer group. Now, note that you can also actually schedule the email so that it can go out at a specific time that you want. And that's how default groups work. You can always find them here in your customers dashboard by clicking on default groups, and you can pick any one of your choice to send a campaign to at any time. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to create a custom group that you can then customize by yourself. See you in the next one.